Good morning, students. I am Satish Suryavanshi. I am maths teacher in Gyan Basavanram Mosaic Junior College, Yeroda, Pune 6. I have 20 years experience of teaching maths in Gyan Basavanram Mosaic Junior College, Yeroda. I welcome you all in math e-learning session. Now we are going to start and talking about the exercise number 3. So in this exercise number 3, there are 3 questions. Question number 1. If A is equals to matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, find A inverse by using elementary row transformation. Question number 2. If A is equal to this matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 2, 4, 7, find A inverse by using adjoint method. In question number 3, if A is equals to matrix 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0, find A inverse by using column transformation. Now let us start the question number 1. The solution of question number 1, given A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. First find the value of the determinant of A. It is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Now expand this determinant 1 into bracket. Delete first row, first column. Product of this is 4 minus 4 minus 2 into bracket. Delete first row, second column. Product of this minus 4 minus 2 plus 3 into bracket. Delete first row, third column. Product of this is minus 2 minus 1. Then it is equals to 0 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3. So determinant of A is equals to 12 minus 9 is equals to 3 is not 0. So therefore A inverse is exist. Now we proceed for finding the inverse by using elementary row transformation. So how to find by using elementary row transformation? We write the condition. We write this condition A inverse is equals to identity. So A means it is the given matrix. It is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 into A inverse is equals to the matrix identity. Now redo this matrix in the form of identity. Means first make this one, got these two zeros, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. But in this already 1 is present here. Then how to make this 0 here? So using R2 implies R2 plus R1 by row operation. So in this operation where it change on the second row only, the element of first row keep as it is and third row keep as it is. It is 0, 0, 1. Now operate here. R2 plus R1 minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. Then it is 1 plus 2, it is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Here 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1, it is 1. Then 1 plus 0, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0 here. Now to make the 0 here, so by using the operation R3 implies R3 minus R1. So where it change on third row only, so that time the element of first and second row keep as it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 5, then 1, 1, 0. Now here 1 minus 1, it is 0. then 2 minus 2 it is 0, then 4 minus 3 it is 1. Here 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus 0 it is 0, then 1 minus 0 it is 1 here. Now first make this one, then got these two zeros, and then got this one and these two zeros, then 1 and then these two zeros. It is the procedure. Now obtain here it is 1. So how to obtain 1? By using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, by any way we obtain this 1 here. So using operation R2 implies 1 upon 3 times R2 by dividing 3 here. So now divide by 3. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, keep as it is. Now divided by 3 here, 0 upon 3, 0, 3 upon 3 is 1, this 5 upon 3 is 5 by 3. Then divide by 1 by 3, then it is 1 by 3, then it is 0. So now obtain the 0 here. So by using operation, using R1 implies R1 minus 2 times R2. So A inverse is this matrix. So in this matrix very change on the first row only. The element of second and third keep as it is. 0, 1, 5 by 3, 0, 0, 1. It is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. So now operate 1 minus 2 into 0, it is 1. Then 2 minus 2 into 1, which is 0. Then here R1 is 3 minus 2 times 5 by 3, it is equal to 3 minus 10 by 3 means 9 minus 10 by 3, which is 1 by 3, means here minus 1 by 3 here. And now operate here, it is 1 minus 2 into 1 by 3, it is 1 minus 2 by 3, means 3 minus 2 by 3, it is 1 by 3. Now operate 0 minus 2 into 1 by 3, which is minus 2 by 3, then 0 minus 0, which is equals to 0, which is equals to 0. 1 these two zeros, 1 these two zeros, 1. Now obtain these two zeros here. So to obtain by using R1 implies R1 plus 1 by 3 times R3. R1 plus 1 by 3 times R3. So very chain on the first element of second and third row keep as it is. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 0. It is 0, 0, 1, then minus 1, 0, 1. So operate here. 1 plus 0, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is also 0 here. Now operate on this side. It is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into minus 1. So it is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 means it is 0. Then operate here minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 0, which is minus 2 by 3, then 0 plus 1 by 3 into 1 is 1 by 3. So now obtain the 0 here. So by using R2 implies R2 minus 5 by 3 times R3. So here A inverse is equals to the matrix. So where is the change? On the second row only. Then it is 1 0 0 0 minus 2 by 3 1 by 3 0 0 1 minus 1 0 1. So now operate here. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, is 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into 1. So 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3, which is 0. Now on this side it is R2. R2 is 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into minus 1. So it is 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3, means it is 6 by 3. Then operate here. 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into 0 is 1 by 3 minus 0, means it is 1 by 3. Then 0 minus 5 by 3 into 1, which is minus 5 by 3. So therefore observe this here. Completely reduce this matrix in the form of identity 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So therefore this matrix is the inverse of the given matrix. So therefore A 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 minus 1 0 1, again it can be written as it is 1 by 3 times it is 0 minus 2 1 6 1 minus 5, it is minus 3 0 3 is the required inverse of the given matrix by using elementary row transformation. So now similarly we can try to solve this example, and then if you have any difficulties or any queries, then you can recall me. Thank you. Goodbye.